think I had a few things that were my obstacles. One of them was just being a guy and prideful that I'll just get over it and I'll get through it. The other thing was like, well, I haven't been to physical therapy in a very long time. I wonder how expensive it is now. So it was my lower back, and I want to say it took me a solid 2 months of struggling through pain at work, at home, because my back was so bad I wasn't coming to the gym. So I was gaining weight. You know, it also contributes to not being happy. Come see Nick. You guys do a great job here. And you know, in 4 weeks, I feel good. I feel back to 100%. So I would definitely tell my family to don't procrastinate, stop waiting, and just get in and get taken care of. The entire staff was real friendly and talkative and professional. While you know you're working on someone's a pain that some or struggle someone's going through, you guys were easy to talk to during that entire experience. So the number one thing I wanted to achieve was to gain strength in my back so I can do my daily activities without any strain. So I have accomplished that. I can go and stand, sit at work for all day. I can go to the gym. I've been doing regular activities with no pain. So I'm feeling very comfortable and confident that I can do what my normal routines without any issues.